see you next time.
You have 3 of them now?
We'll see you next time.
If you return, yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
it's empty.
Subscribe.
Ooh.
Are you fucking kidding? Imagine when the platform gives out.
Wow. Whoa.
Ready for a top? Yeah, you're good.
Whoa.
Yeah. There's like these really big antennas up here. There's a bird's nest right here. Oh, nice.
Okay.
There's a little bird in here.
Oh, let's do this.
Oh, it's going all the way down there. All right, now we made it to the top. Oh, there goes the sun. Now we just start to send down, right? My buddy already started heading down, but now I'm gonna start heading down too. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. Some old dishes right there. All right. I like how peaceful and quiet it is out here. No one really around. We were all the way up there.